Hello, Pia Orchids Garden USA here. I'm going to show you my curly hostas plants. I've got this about, 3, 4 years ago, and this one is growing in a planter, as you can see right here. And I water them every day because it's warm and it's sunny here. It's warm, and I don't want it to dry out. And this one have a lot of flowers. Look how beautiful this is. It's just gorgeous. So this is curly hostas. I love this one. I need to um, transfer it directly in the garden though, because it's overflowing and it multiplies. It started out with just one plant and now it's got lots of plants in there, and they're blooming every year, and I love it. And I love the color. It is so gorgeous. And this one have a lot of them, have a lot of flower this year compared to last year. And look at that. Isn't that pretty? That's awesome. That's gorgeous right there. So, and this one, if I can count, I think there are like 20 of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, 23, about 25. Because there's more growing. See, there's more growing right here. And I believe there's more coming out. And it's hard to see. But anyway, so this is my curly hostess. And I have it for about, I got it before COVID, so that's why. And it's beautiful. I love the flower. It looks like orchids, basically. Look at that. And I haven't put any fertilizer in there. And hopefully that after it bloom, I will put fertilizer and prepare it for next year. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? It's gorgeous. So it is perennial. I leave it outside year round, and I don't put it away. So there you go. All right. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, just leave comments on in the video and I'll get back to you. Okay. Thank you so much. Shout out to all the members. Thank you all so much, Pia Mila team, and all the super viewers. Thank you all so much. Bye.